Traders, this is Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. How are you today? The market is open, and right before we're gonna start the cover, I want to give a shout out to all of you that purchased the package in this last weekend. Thank you so much for the vote of trust. I know it's gonna be very exciting journey for you. As always, if you need us, if you need me personally, I'm here. Shoot me an email, shoot me a text, give me a call. I'm here to help, and I really appreciate the vote of trust. I hope you're gonna like it. I believe that you're gonna find it a very fascinating journey, and I wish you good luck and happy trading. We're gonna talk today on the market, on the crude oil contract. We already see it in a bird's eye view how the basically the crude oil has been accumulating energy, and now it sits on a major demand over here. At this point, we have a major supply at this point and a minor demand at this point. So obvious is that we want to join a long position. I'm gonna go for the 4 hours interval and see where lies the opportunity within the day to get into the position. So with the 4 hours chart, we already see we have another minor demand over here. We see a point of the almost switching hands over here. It's still not strong enough. We don't have the supportive volume. Definitely could go down to this minor demand or the major demand right here. I'm gonna go within the day, the 15 minutes interval, to seize the opportunity. And even in the 15 minutes graph, we already see we have a minor supply over here. Now we already understand that we don't want to go against the trend, so we're gonna look at long position. Definitely, possibly if it's gonna get to this area, or it's gonna try to flip and reverse, but I'm feeling more secure to take a long position. I'm gonna go to the 5 minutes interval to see, even in this interval, how can I seize it to my seize the opportunity to get into the position. Right now we see it over here standing in the price is basically standing in the 5 minutes supply area. I'm gonna look on the market profile. The last day, we see it's already been traded a little bit outside of the range of the last day, but this is the last day, and we're still in the night profile, which it was just 8:51 a.m. So within the night profile, we see how they behave. It basically, market start over here, test this area, and went back again to the range of the previous day and started to reaccumulate the energy right here. So if we're looking for a short deal, basically we can short it right from here to the high value area, to short it all the way to the long, or even to possibly to this 5 minutes interval. I'm not gonna go against the trend. I'm just gonna look for the long position. Therefore, I'm gonna do a very quick scalp, and within the quick scalp, we can see those two areas that we're gonna see soon enough that the market profile is gonna be formed when we can take the long. We already know that we have a possibility to take the long from here, either from here. The beauty of the 1 minute interval, it doesn't have to be a wedding. You don't have to marry the position. I mean, it's a very, very short position. You scalp in and you minimize the risk. It means that if I'm gonna put a long position right here, buy even one single contract all the way to the supply area, but getting with 4 contracts, I can risk $160 in order to make $560, which is amazing ratio. I'm gonna look at the ratio right now and understand better if it's working for us, for our risk management. So we see it's almost ratio of 1 to 3. It's basically 1 to 2.8, which is amazing. I'm gonna take this long position. Soon enough, when we see the price ditching to this area, as we see in live right now, we can still basically test it before I get to it. If it's rather sober and get us out of the position, we still did the right move. You have to remember, it's not at all time that you're gonna do the right moves, it's gonna succeed. The market will always say it's last thing, but you need to operate as you learned. And if you are in a demand area, the option is just long or nothing. If you are in a supply area, it's short or nothing. So it's definitely can come to the point that is coming across this area and going even deeper dive into this 1 minute interval. We're still gonna operate in this basis on 2 opportunities. This opportunity right here that lies over here in the 1 minute interval, and we're gonna another 1 minute interval. We can see also some percentage if you're using flux chart They're giving you an indicator that basically potentially position you and base the supply in areas by percentages. The percentage basically represent the possibility for it to flip and reverse. Personally, I'm not supported by those indicators. I'm always gonna mark the pool myself. I'm gonna also see if it lies in, within. It's gonna be parallel to what Flux chart did mark themselves, and it's gonna be synergy between both, which is amazing. I'm bounced back to the 5 minutes interval. Now we see starting of buyers getting into the picture. We have a flipping hands over here, but also a dodgy candle. I'm only gonna get into position after this candle is gonna finish. Basically, what I want to see is this: the next candle should be a candle that's gonna pass this previous candle, that basically create for me a confirmation that I can get back into the deal. Right now, we're not getting to any deal until we see the next candle. So I'm right now, I'm not gonna take this position because I'm doing it as we speak, and we see the graph. I don't have support enough. We see the volume is going up. If in the end of this time, this unit, the time unit of 1 minute, I'm gonna see it's passed, I can still have some confirmation to validation to my decision making. So this is a possible position for today. We have another position, long position from here. Of course, everybody's going to operate by his risk management. I wish you successful trading. I'll see you in the markets. And I want to give you another announcement because there was a high demand on the course this weekend. I'm going to extend the sell until midnight tonight. So if you're still contemplating, if you want to get into the market, do not hesitate. Do it now. It's very, very affordable. You're getting almost 90% discount. If you drop your email at the website, you get an additional discount. Discount is up basically only $35. Super affordable. Test it for yourself. See how you feel about it. Always give us a feedback. And as always, if you like this channel, if you like the content in the channel, please subscribe and like these videos. And I'll see you in the markets. Have a successful trading day. Thank you for watching.